Welcome back to another episode of Learn with Samita. Today, we take a close look at the glamorous yet demanding world of fashion travel. From trade shows to fashion weeks to conferences to awards nights, we do it all. In fashion, long haul and frequent travel becomes part of life. So what I do is I secure my baggage with these kind of belts and check it in as soon as possible to the final destination. This helps me travel light and beat the queue. I have switched from trolley cases to backpacks for two reasons. At some airports like Munich, there are endless and sky-high escalators. The last thing I want is an escalator to become my stairway to heaven. Overhead compartments on a plane fill up fast, but backpacks can fit under your seat, doubling up as footrests. Plus, you can easily access in-flight essentials like the sketchpad, a book, or medicines without standing up. Another tip: always hold on to the handrail. I have seen some people dart through others like they are on a mission. Sure, you are in a rush, but those Michael Jackson moves can hurt you or someone else. When it comes to airport apparel, there are three words: comfort, comfort, comfort. Opt for pull-up, pull-down pants like these, loose-fitting with elasticized waist, no hooks and no zips. In flight, our body can bloat, and the last thing you want is a hook or a zipper cutting into your tummy. If you are traveling from one climate to another, layering is your BFF. I begin with a puffer jacket for the cold. Once inside the airport, the puffer comes off, revealing a lightweight jacket underneath. In flight, I can strip down to my organic cotton t-shirt worn with the loose-fitting pants. For shoes, slip-on loafers are my go-to. No lace-ups and certainly no sky-high stilettos. I even avoid boots. You need to take boots off at security and the zippers might trigger off the alarms. Always carry your in-flight essentials in a reusable, clear plastic bag. I have often gone straight to a meeting from the airport. Lipstick, hand cream, moisturizer, and maybe an eye pencil is essential for your washroom makeovers. When on flight, we pick up body, food, and other odors. How do we get rid of odors? Simples, perfumes. And when talking perfumes, I cannot go beyond my personal favorite, Dossier perfumes. Dossier perfumes are sustainably sourced from Grasse in France. They replicate high-end perfumes at low-end prices. How is that possible? Because Dossier does not spend on fancy packaging, celebrity endorsements, expensive marketing. And what's the icing on the cake? These perfume bottles are exactly 50 ml, and that should keep your security personnel happy. I utilized the layover to sneak in a mini holiday. I checked into a hotel. On this trip, I stayed at the Premier Inn near Al Zayed Airport in Abu Dhabi. It is clean, comfortable, offers in-room tea and coffee, a shuttle service for city tours, a restaurant that offers good and affordable food and service. Premier Inn allowed early check-in, and most importantly, offered pickup and drop-off from and to the airport. I even managed to visit the magnificent Zayed Mosque. For a conference that spanned over 14 hours, with a 2-hour recess, staying at the venue was ideal. We stayed at the Fairmont Hotel in Windsor, UK, a spectacular property with majestic racehorse sculptures and artworks. As a finalist, I deserve to get my makeup done by a professional makeup artist. I chose the amazing Ioana. The time has come to get ready for the event. So this is my before face, and I have the beautiful Ioana with me, and you'll see my after face after Ioana has worked her magic on me, Samita. I had shown you my before look, and this is my after look after Ioana has worked her magic on me. Thank you, Ioana.
Thank you for having me.
Full coverage of makeup coming up in the next video on Learn with Samita. With a day-long conference and a gala dinner at night, a quick change of clothes, bag, lipstick and a touch-up kept me fresh and ready for the evening. Winning the silver trophy for Women in Sustainability from among 2,000 nominations and 300 finalists came as a pleasant surprise. I could conduct mini interviews with inspiring women, gaining insights into how they became change makers. Interviews with Women Changing the World Awards winners coming up on Learn with Samita next week. I capped off this trip with a visit to the Windsor Castle next day, the oldest and the largest occupied castle in the world.
So right from William the Conqueror all the way through to our present day monarch, King Charles III, it's always been a royal residence. Okay, perfect.
left, our hearts were heavy, our bags full of memories, and the friendships made will last a lifetime. Thank you, Women Changing the World Awards, for an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle tips. Check out the videos in the cards and on the end screen for related content. This is Samita signing off. Till next time, bye for now.